If you're looking for a ready for occupancy project in Quezon City and wants to experience a hotel and resort-like living, then this video is for you. Let me show you the Crestmont by DMCI Homes. So here's one of the most talked about properties in Quezon City, the Crestmont by DMCI. By the way, my name is Lance, your licensed real estate broker, and I've been in the industry of real estate for almost a decade now, trusted by many clients through competency and professionalism. And here's what's in store for you for the Crestmont discussion. Starting with the company background, I'm very happy to share that we are a builder developer and we have a construction seal of quadruple A, which means that we provide and construct towers with the quality of global level, and we are allowed to build and construct buildings in different countries. We are known for our signature designs like the sky patios and breezeway, which allows the natural light to come in and to ensure ventilation. And also, the hotel and resort inspired structural design. And the newest part of our brand, the Skydeck pool located at the roof deck level. When it comes to competitive edge among other real estate developers, we provide 2-year workmanship warranty. Moving on with the facade, this is a 50-story high-rise building with a land area of 3,000 square meter with 49 residential floors, 7 basement levels for the parking, and ground floor and roof deck for the lounges. When it comes to location, we are located at Panay Avenue and we are just few minutes walk going to EDSA. Regarding the transportation hubs, we are just few minutes away to MRT Quezon Avenue Station and you have an easy access to Metro Manila Subway and the Grand Central Station that connects LRT1, MRT3, and MRT7. So this is the medical facilities nearby, and to name a few, we have St. Luke's Medical Center and East Avenue Medical Center. So here's the shopping centers, and to name a few, we have SM City North EDSA and Trinoma Mall. So here's the educational institution, and to name a few, we have Trinity University of Asia and University of the Philippines, Diliman. And for the business districts, I'm very happy to share that we are just few walks away going to Eton Centris, and you have an easy access to Eastwood City, Ortigas Center, Bonifacio Global City, and Makati Central Business District. Moving on to the amenities and facilities, we have the drop-off area, the reception lobby, TV and lounge pool, kids play area, elevator lobby, entertainment room, fitness gym if you are a gym goer, function room if you have any special events or occasions, and the highlight of this project, which is the Skydeck pool. If you are in love with this project and you prefer a different location, don't you worry, DMCI launches different projects in different locations like Commonwealth Quezon City, West Avenue Quezon City, C5 Pasig, Caloocan City, Mandaluyong City, Makati City, and San Juan, Batangas. If you're currently located abroad and unavailable for an actual unit viewing, don't you worry, I have a quick virtual tour just for you. Let me show you. Welcome to the Crestmont, a prime address that keeps you close to everything you need. Malls, schools, hospitals, and business hubs are just minutes away, giving you the ultimate convenience. Arrive in style with our spacious and well-organized drop-off area, designed for a seamless and hassle-free welcome home. Step inside and feel the warmth of a hotel-inspired lounge, a perfect space to relax, meet guests, or simply enjoy the elegant ambiance. Fun and safety come together in our dedicated kids zone. Let your little ones play, splash, and create happy memories right at home. Take a refreshing dip in our stunning Skydeck pool where breathtaking city views elevate your relaxation to a whole new level. End your day with the best panoramic views from our Skydeck, whether it's sunrise coffee or sunset unwinding, this is your private scape in the sky. Experience elevated living at the Crestmont. Your dream home awaits. Moving on to the unit offerings, the Crestmont offers different sizes and different unit types, and we have one bedroom with an area of 32 to 42.5 square meter, 2-bedroom with an area of 57 to 66.5 square meter, and 3-bedroom with 84.5 square meter. Regarding the price of the Crestmont, as of this moment, the current value is 177,000 pesos per square meter. And let's check the computation. So this is a standard term with the 30% equity with 70% balance. So here's a computation for a 2-bedroom with balcony with an area of 65.5 square meter. So for the net total contract price, that's 12.8 million. And for you to reserve the unit, that's 20,000. With the monthly payable for 36 months of 96,000. With the remaining balance of 70%, that's 8.1 million. And closing fee of 1.2. Overall total balance is 9.3 million, payable through cash or bank financing. I'm very happy to share that we have promo term with an equity of 12% and 88% balance. Same computation for a 2-bedroom with balcony with 65.5 square meter area. So for the net total contract price, that's 12.8 million. And for you to reserve the unit, that's 20,000 pesos. With a monthly payable of 36 months, and that's 38,000. And the balance of 88%, that's 10.2 million. Closing fee is 1.2, and the total balance is 11.4, payable through cash or bank financing. Please don't forget to contact me if you will be interested to have a very quick discussion about the amazing projects of DMCI Homes. And kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel as I'll be uploading more property tour just for you. This is Lance, your licensed real estate broker, reminding you to always do smart living. See you!